अमेजिंग शाम है और आज यहाँ पर कुछ नया, कुछ अनोखा, कुछ वंडरफुल सा होने वाला है और इसके हीरो जो हैं वो आप हैं। एंड आई डोंट नो कि आप ये जानते हो कि नहीं, बट शायद आप जानते होंगे, बट यू रियली डू मैटर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। अब मैं आपको उन 3 conglomerates से मिलाऊं who have organized this special evening. Superlative designs, guaranteed possessions. The Vadva Group is one of the most eminent real estate companies of Mumbai. The group conducts dealings with integrity, respect and transparency. Man Infra Construction, एक leading construction company है in India with over 50 years of execution experience and has executed construction work for some of the most significant port projects in the country. Founded by the late Shri Chandakji, a man ahead of his times. He's left memorable and firm footprints on land and slowly but steadily fulfilled the dreams of many and created a secure organization on the columns of values and ethics. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the 3 conglomerates that have invited here tonight to unveil their landmark project together. Please, could we have a big hand? I would like to first invite the promoters of our exciting new project. Let me start with the man who has a wide experience of 22 years in the construction industry. Let's please welcome on stage the Managing Director of Man Infra Construction Limited, Mr. Parag K. Shah. 12 years in an industry of concrete and steel, yet humble at heart, experience of creating homes from suburbs to South Mumbai and delivering quality with passion. Please welcome on stage the director of the Chandak Group, Mr. Abhay Chandak. He's known as the marketing and sales wizard of the company, taking the group to greater heights. Owing to his education and negotiation skills from the London School of Economics, he performs the most critical role of land identification and acquisition with complete ease. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Welcoming on stage Managing Director, Vadva Group, Mr. Naveen Makhija. His commitment, hard work, sincerity and passion demands the best from all around him. But at the same time, it inspires all around him. Parts of Mumbai, as a rapidly changing city, has been shaped innovatively by the Vadva Group. Clearly a visionary with 45 solid years of experience in real estate, he believes in designing practical and innovative buildings with flawless execution. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the chairman of the Vadva Group, Mr. Vijay Vadva himself. Mr. Manan Shah is the whole-time director of the company. He heads the real estate division of the company. A big hand before we unveil the logo. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is.
बिल्डिंग खाली सीमेंट, चूना, रेती, मट्टी से नहीं बनती। एक आर्किटेक्ट को और बिल्डर को बिल्डिंग में क्या प्लान करना चाहिए, ये सब हमको सोचना है। हमको अपने आप को ग्राहक की जगह पे डालना है कि ग्राहक को क्या चाहिए। फ्लैट बजट में बनाना है, छोटा बनाना है, छोटा भी इंटेलिजेंटली बनाना है। ये प्रोजेक्ट रेलवे स्टेशन के पास है, कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा एफएसआई पास करा सकते, पर हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि ये लोकेशन में ऐसी चीज बनाओ जो कि आज तक मुलुंड में कंसीव नहीं की गई हो।
One of our most important USP as a group has been identifying locations. So when we identified Mulund, what is Mulund all about? Mulund is not what we know today. We need to see what is Mulund after 3 years and 5 years. Because ultimately people will stay after 3 to 5 years. Over the next 4-5 years, we feel this will become the Andheri, which it was few years back, and we took over this project and we are developing together. This is our site. It's half a kilometer from the LBS and it's half a kilometer from the Eastern Freeway, Eastern Highway. इवन इन द लैंडस्केप अगर आप देखेंगे, we've created greenery. ये दिखाने के लिए नहीं, ये क्रिएट होगी. So just to sum up whatever I said in one slide is Mulund has its social infrastructure. It has everything what a city needs for it to run on its own.
A big hand for Project Atmosphere. I hope it does very well for you. Thank you very much. Good night.